Moana stood at the edge of Motunui, watching waves curl and break upon the distant reef. The ocean called to her, whispering secrets only she seemed to hear. Her father, Chief Tue, wanted her to focus on the village, but Moana's heart longed for adventure. That night, during a moonlit feast, Moana confided in her wise grandmother, Tala, who led her to a hidden cave filled with ancient boats. The truth unveiled, her people were voyagers, destined to explore beyond the horizon. Moana's resolve hardened. She would find Maui, restore the heart of Te Fiti, and heal their island. At dawn, Moana loaded a canoe with supplies. Pua the pig and Hei the rooster insisted on joining. The ocean itself seemed to guide her, lifting her boat over powerful currents as she braved storms and hunger. When she finally met Maui, the legendary demigod, he was nothing like the tales. Charming but vain, Maui wanted no part of her quest. Moana persisted, showing wisdom beyond her years, and convinced him to help by proving her own bravery. Together, they journeyed through abyssal caverns and luminous monster realms. Maui's shapeshifting and Moana's intuition kept disasters at bay. Yet, their greatest challenge arrived at Taka's molten shores, where Moana's courage was truly tested. She saw through the fury and recognized Te Fiti herself, lost without her heart. With hope, Moana returned the heart, transforming darkness to lush green. Her journey completed, Moana sailed home, not just as a hero, but as a wayfinder who inspired her entire village to embrace their true legacy.